Let's dive in. Getting started. Create an index.html file in your favorite code editor. I'll be using Visual Studio Code and will generate a boilerplate with an exclamation mark. Navigate to getbootstrap.com. Once you're there, click the Docs button in the top left. Scroll down to where it says Include Bootstrap's CSS and JS. Here, you'll find the CDN links that let you use Bootstrap directly from the web without downloading anything. Copy the link element here and paste it into the head section of your index page. This is the Bootstrap CSS file. Back in the Bootstrap site, copy the script element here and paste it in your head section under the link element. Be sure to add the defer attribute at the end of the script tag. This is the Bootstrap JavaScript bundle that includes Popper for dropdowns, popovers, and tooltips. That's it. With just those 2 lines, you're ready to use Bootstrap. Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.